Thank you as always for tuning in. Today, we will discuss the pharmaceutical industry, a high-stakes domain that demands exceptionally strict management. Currently, the role of AI in the pharmaceutical sector is dramatically expanding from simply being a tool to discover drugs, to becoming the foundation supporting decisions across the entire pharmaceutical lifecycle. While AI is often discussed in the context of speeding up drug discovery, it is actually deeply penetrating every phase directly linked to human life, including clinical trial design, quality assessment in the manufacturing process, and post-market safety monitoring. Regulatory bodies are also closely watching this movement. Both the FDA and EMA have highlighted clarification of the context of use and lifecycle management as key principles for using AI in drug development. In other words, the core challenge for pharmaceutical companies going forward is not just using AI, but how to continuously prove the validity of its use. In the pharmaceutical domain, decision-making errors lead to catastrophic losses. Erroneous judgments during the development stage can render massive investments worthless, while mistakes in quality assessment during the manufacturing stage not only threaten patient safety but also trigger severe regulatory sanctions. This is where the difficult issue of accountability comes to light. Imagine a quality assurance manager reviews an AI's assessment and signs off on an approval. However, standard electronic signature records alone cannot reproduce which parts of the AI's assessment the manager verified, or what information they used as the basis to give the go signal. Even though AI is practically driving the go, no-go decisions, the decision-making process becomes a black box, leaving the signature as a mere formality. This is the hidden risk lurking in the field of pharmaceutical operations. The audit trails under traditional GXP regulations are also insufficient as they currently stand. Previous log designs excel at tracking data modification histories, but they are not designed to capture the entire picture of a decision, such as which version of the model was used and what validation data was applied at the exact moment a specific decision was made. What evidence design using ADIC, or Advanced Data Integrity by Ledger of Computation, aims to do is fill this void. The model version, validation records, batch data at that specific moment, and the rationale behind the responsible person's decision. These are fixed not as disjointed logs, but as a unified ledger. Consequently, when an inspector asks, on what basis was the release decision for this batch made, it becomes possible to prove it instantly and with mathematical rigor. Using AI as an accelerator while simultaneously implementing the brakes to guarantee regulatory compliance and scientific validity. That is the core of AI assurance in the pharmaceutical domain. Next time, we will delve deeper into the medical and healthcare sector, where more individualized clinical judgments are required. This has been the Ghost Drift Mathematical Institute. See you next time.